A few years from now, millions of people will look back at this moment and say the exact same thing. I didn't think it would happen to me. They'll say it after the email stops coming, after the meetings get shorter, after their role quietly changes, after the layoff that feels sudden but wasn't. If your job uses a computer in any way, AI is already being trained to replace parts of what you do. Not loudly, not dramatically, quietly. This isn't a warning about some distant future. It's not science fiction. It's not about robots walking into offices. It's about software updates. It's about automation tools. It's about systems that don't get tired, don't ask for raises, and don't need health insurance. Right now, people are being replaced without realizing it's happening. Not fired, not blamed, just slowly made unnecessary. Customer support roles are being reduced because AI can now answer most questions instantly. Data entry jobs are disappearing because machines can process information faster and without mistakes. Graphic designers are seeing fewer contracts because AI can generate drafts in seconds. Copywriters are being asked to edit instead of create. Junior programmers are watching tasks get automated. Virtual assistants are being replaced by chatbots. Analysts are being undercut by systems that can summarize data instantly. Social media managers are being replaced by scheduling and content generation tools. And this is only the beginning. Here's the part most people don't understand. AI doesn't need to replace everyone to be devastating. It only needs to replace enough people to change the economics of an entire field. When one person with AI can do the work of 5 people, companies don't keep all 5, they keep 1. And that one person becomes the new standard. Most workers still believe their job is safe. They tell themselves their role is too complex, too human, too nuanced. They believe their company values loyalty. They believe someone will warn them. That belief is comforting, but it's dangerous. It's the same belief factory workers had when machines arrived. It's the same belief travel agents had when booking sites appeared. It's the same belief newspaper employees had when the internet took over. Every time, people thought their situation was different. It wasn't. AI doesn't need to be better than you at everything. It just needs to be good enough, cheaper, and faster. And it already is. What makes this shift different from every other technological change in history is not the speed, it's the target. In the past, machines replaced physical labor first, factories, assembly lines, warehouses. This time, AI is replacing thinking tasks, writing, planning, research, analysis, design, coding, decision support, strategy. For the first time, white-collar jobs are being disrupted before blue-collar ones. And most people are completely unprepared for that reality. Right now, society is splitting into 2 groups. The first group says they'll deal with AI later. They're busy, they're tired, they assume things will stabilize, they think the hype will die down. The second group understands something fundamental has changed. They're experimenting, they're learning, they're uncomfortable, but curious. One group will compete against AI, the other will work with it. Only one group will keep control of their income. Here's the truth that makes people uncomfortable. AI doesn't just eliminate jobs, it concentrates power. When tools become this strong, the advantage shifts to people who move early. One person using AI effectively can outperform entire teams that refuse to adapt. This isn't about intelligence. It's not about talent. It's about timing. The people who win are not the smartest. They're the ones who acted before they were forced to. Most people think adapting means becoming a programmer or a technical expert. That's not true. You don't need to code. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to understand how AI is built. You need to understand how it's used. You need to know how to apply it to real work, how to automate repetitive tasks, how to increase your output, how to become more valuable instead of more replaceable. The safest position in the future is not far away from AI. It's right next to it. The person who knows how to use the tools becomes harder to replace than the person who ignores them. Companies won't eliminate humans completely. They'll eliminate unnecessary humans. And the definition of necessary is changing fast. AI is not something that will arrive one day and announce itself. It won't ask permission. It won't wait for comfort. It's already being integrated into software you use every day. It's already shaping decisions behind the scenes. It's already affecting hiring, productivity, and wages. The people who wait will wake up one day feeling blindsided. The people who move now will look back and realize they were early. AI is not coming. It's already here. And the only real question left is this: will you be replaced by it, or will you be the one using it? And if this video made you think differently about where things are heading, don't ignore that feeling. The people who pay attention early are the ones who stay ahead. I'm Kevin. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next amazing video right here on the Avoice Podcast.